Hey everyone! For today's video, I'll show you if you can use stolen AirPods. With this tutorial, you will know if someone can actually use your missing AirPods. The first step is opening Find My. The Find My app is an app that's built in Apple which helps you find missing items like AirPods or AirTags. It even helps you find your friend's location. So, if your AirPod is connected to your iPhone, you can simply tap on it and you can either remove it or, in some cases, you can mark it as missing if it is missing. Then that will notify it that it's missing and no one else can use it until you find it. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.